Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver. Today we will solve exercise 1.4 from Cantab class 9 chapter 1 real number system. We will solve question number 1 to question number 6 in very easy way. If you have not subscribed Math Solver, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos. Now we will start today's lecture. Now in exercise 1.4, question number 1 is evaluate each of the following. We will do all the parts in very easy way. First part is 125 power 4 by 3. Now we will solve this. So we will solve 125 by making the factors. 125 is divided by 5, we will get 25, and when 25 is divided by 5, we will get 5, and when 5 is divided by 5, we will get 1. So we can write 125 as 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, which is equal to 5 power 3. So we will write 5 power 3 in place of 125. 5 power 3 power 4 by 3. Now we will multiply this 3 by 4 by 3. 5 power 3 multiply by 4 by 3. 3 will be cancelled by this 3. We have 5 power 4. This is the answer. I hope you understand this. Now the second part is 512 power 7 by 9. How can we solve this? We will make the factors of 512. When 512 is divided by 2, we will get 256. When 256 is divided by 2, we have 128. 128 is divided by 2, we have 64. 64 is divided by 2, we have 32. And when 32 is divided by 2, we have 16. 16 is divided by 2, we have 8. When 8 is divided by 2, we have 4. When 4 is divided by 2, we have 2. And when 2 is divided by 2, we have 1. So we will count all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we will write 512 is equal to 2 power 9. So 2 power 9 power 7 by 9. We multiply 2 power 9 into 7 by 9. 9 will be cancelled. We have 2 power 7 is the answer. Now we will do part number 3. Now the third part is 243 power 6 by 4. We will make the factors of 243. When 243 is divided by 3, we have 81. Then 27. When 27 is divided by 3, we have 9. Now we will count all these 3. These are 5. So 243 is equal to 3 power 5. So we will write 3 power 5 into 6 by 5. 5 will be multiplied by 6 by 5. We have 3 power 6 is the answer. Now we will do part number 4. Now in part number 4 we have 512 power minus 7 by 9. Again we will make the factors of 512. (128). When 32 is divided by 2, we have 16. Now we have 512 is equal to 2 power 9 multiplied by power 7 by 9. Now 9 multiplied by minus 7 by 9, this 9 will be cancelled, and we have 2 power minus 7 answer of this question. Now in part number 5 we have 343 power minus 2 by 3. We will make the factor of 343. When we divide 343 by 7, we have 49. When 49 is divided by 7, we have 7. And then 7 is divided by 7, we have 1. So we will write 343 as 7 power 3 minus 2 by 3 whole power. 3 multiplied by minus 2 by 3. This 3 will be cancelled by this, and we have 7 power minus 2 is the answer of this question. I hope you understand. Now we will have the last part of this question, part number 6. 512 power minus 2 by 3. How can we solve this? Again we will make the factors of 512. 256. When 256 is divided by 2, we have 128. And when 128 is divided by 2, we have 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, and 2. So we have 2 power 9. 512 is equal to 2 power 9. So we will write 2 power 9 multiply by power 2 by 3. Now 9 multiplied by minus 2 by 3, we have 2 power 3 multiplied by minus 2, which is equal to 2 power minus 6. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand. Now we will do question number 2. Now here the question number 2 is, write each radical expression in exponential notation and exponential expression in radical notation. We will write all the radical in exponential and exponential in radical in this question. Now we will start. The first part is said 5 x whole power 3. Now we will convert this. This is in radical form. We will convert this in exponential form. So we will write x, this side is equal to 5, side 1 by 5. So we will write x power 1 by 5 and whole power is 3. So this 3 will be multiply this 1 by 5. We have x power 3 by 5. So this is the answer. We have convert radical notation into a exponential notation. Now the second part is side 3 y 4. Now we will solve this. Y 4 and this is equal to 1 by 3. So y power 4 we will write whole power is 1 by 3 because 3 root is equal to 1 by 3. So 4 will be multiplied by 1 by 3. We have 4 by 3. So this is the answer of this question. We have convert a radical form into an exponential form. Now we have part number 3. 3 into side of minus 64 by 8. Now we will make the prime factors of 64 and 8. When we divide 64 by 4, we have 16. 16 is divided by 4, we have 4. When 4 is divided by 4, we have 1. And we will make the factors of 8. So we will write 64 as 4 power 3 and 8 as 2 power 3. So we can write this as also 4 by 2 whole power is 3 and this side is equal to 1 by 3. 4 by 2, this 3 will be multiplied by 1 by 3. We have 4 by 2. Now we will divide 4 by 2, we have 2. So 2 is the answer of this question. I hope you understand. Now we have part number 4 is minus 32 power 2 by 5. We will convert this exponential form into a radical form. Now we will write minus 32 power 2. We have split this 2 by 5 as 2 multiplied by 1 by 5. So 1 by 5. Now we know that 1 by 5 can be written as in form of radical. So we will convert this 1 by 5 into a radical. So minus 32 power 2. This is the answer. We have converted exponential form into a radical form. Now part number 5 is 8 power minus 4 by 3. We will also split minus 4 by 3 as minus 4 into 1 by 3. So we will solve this. 8 power minus 4 and whole power is 1 by 3. We know that 1 by 3 is equal to square root of 3 into square root. So we will write this as 8 power minus 4. This is the answer of this question. This is in exponential form. We have converted this in radical form. Now in part number 6 we have 8 by 27 whole power 2 by 3. We will split 2 by 3 into 2 multiply 1 by 3. This is in exponential form. We will convert this in radical form. Now write 8 by 27 power 2 and whole power is 1 by 3. So we can write 1 by 3 as radical 3 into square root. So 8 by 27 power 2 radical 3. This is the answer of this question. I hope you understand. Now the question number 3 is simplify. We will simplify all these questions. So the first part is x power 5 whole power is 3. We will solve this. X power 5 whole power 3. We will just multiply 5 and 3. 5 multiplied by 3. We have x power 15. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand. Now we will do second part. Now the second part is x power 3 whole power is 2 and x power 3 square. Now we know that 3 square is equal to 3 multiply 3, which is equal to 9. Now we will solve this as x power 3 whole power 2. We will multiply this 3 and 2. 3 multiply 2 and multiply x 3 square. 3 square is equal to 9, which is equal to 9. X power 3 multiply 2 is 6, multiply x power 9. So we will solve this as we know that x power m multiply x power n. When the base are same, we will add the powers according to power law, m plus n. So here x power 6 plus 9, which implies that x power 15. So this is the answer of this question. Now the question number third part is x power 5 divided by x power 9. We will solve this as by using the quotient law. According to quotient law, we have x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. So we will use this law here. X power 5 by x power 9 and x power 5 minus 9, which implies that x power minus 4. So this is the answer of this question. Now we have fourth part is square root of x power 10. Now we know that square root is equal to 1 by 2. So x power 10 whole power is 1 by 2. Now x power 10 multiply 1 by 2. We will divide 10 by 2. We have 5. So x power 5 is the answer of this question. Now we have fifth part, x power minus 3 whole power is 5. We will solve this. X power minus 3 multiply by 5. So we have x power minus 15. This is the answer of this question. Now we have 3 square root of x6. We know that 3 into third is equal to 1 by 3. So x power 6 power 1 by 3. Now 6 will be multiplied by 1 by 3. We have x power 6 multiplied by 1 by 3. When 6 is divided by 3, we have 2. So x power 2 is the answer of this question. I hope you understand. Now part number 7 is x power minus 1 whole power is 2 multiply x power 1 by 2 whole power is 8. How can we solve this? We will solve in a very easy way. Just multiply minus 1 into 2 and 1 by 2 multiply by 8. X power minus 1 multiply by 2 multiply x power 1 by 2 multiply 8. 8 is divided by 2, we have 4. We have x power minus 1 multiply 2 is minus 2 multiply x power 4. We know that x power m multiply x power n is equal to x power m plus n according to the product law. We will apply this law here. X power minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So this is the answer of this question. Now we will solve 8th part. Now in 8th part we have 3x square y multiply 5x4 y cube. Now we will write this as arrange the like terms. 3 multiply by 5 and multiply x power 2 multiply x power 4 and y multiply by y cube. Now 3 multiply 5 is 15. Here we apply the product law. According to that, x power m multiply x power n is equal to x power m plus n. So 2 plus 4 is 6. We write x power 6. Here we also apply the product law. This y have power 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So y power is 4. So this is the answer of this question. Now we have ninth part is square root of 25 x power 6 y power minus 4. We know that square root is equal to 1 by 2 and 25 can be write as 5 multiply 5 or 5 square. So we will solve this question as 5 square x power 6 y power minus 4 whole power is 1 by 2. So multiply 1 by 2 by each power. 5 power 2 multiply 1 by 2. X power 6 multiply 1 by 2. Y power minus 4 multiply 1 by 2. Now we have this 2 is cancelled by this 2. We have 6 is divided by 2. We have 3 and when 4 is divided by 2 we have 2. So we have 5 x power 3 and y power minus 2 answer of this question. Now in the last part we have square root 9 x power 8 y power minus 4 multiply this square root is equal to 1 by 3 8 x 6 y power minus 3. We will write square root is equal to 1 by 2 and this square root is equal to 1 by 3. Now we will solve this. We can write 9 as 3 square because when multiply 3 into 3 we have 9 and 8 as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 2 power 3. So we will write 9 as 3 square x 8 y minus 4 power 1 by 2 and 8 as 2 power 3 x 6 y minus 3 power 1 by 3. So this 2 will be cancelled by this 1 by 2. 2 multiply 1 by 2 x power 8 multiply 1 by 2 y power minus 4 multiply 1 by 2 multiply 2 power 3 multiply 1 by 3 x power 6 multiply 1 by 3 y power minus 2 multiply y power minus 3 multiply 1 by 3. Now this 2 will be cancelled by this 3 2. We have just 3. 2 is when 8 is divided by 2 we have 4 x power 4. When 4 is divided by 2 we have 2 y power minus 2 multiply 2. 3 will be cancelled by this 3 and when 6 is divided by 3 we have 2 x power 2 and when 3 is divided by 3 we have 1 y power minus 1. Now here we apply product law by arranging the like terms. 3 multiply 2 multiply x power 4 multiply x power 2 multiply y power minus 2 multiply y power minus 1. We will apply product law here. According to that, x power m multiply x power n is equal to x power m plus n. So 3 multiply 2 is 6. X power 4 plus 2 is 6 and y power minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand. Now students, question number 4 is simplify. Square root of 20 plus square root of 5. We will solve all these 6 parts in very easy way. So square root of 20 plus square root of 5. How can we solve this? We can write 20 as 4 multiply 5. So we can write 4 multiply 5 in place of 20 plus square root of 5. Now we can also write this as square root of 4 square root of 5 plus square root of 5. We will take common square root of 5 by this. Square root of 5 is equal to square root of 4 plus 1. Now students, we can write square root of 4 as 4 is equal to 2 multiply 2, which is equal to 2 power square. So this square will be cancelled by this square root, and we have square root of 5 is equal to 2. So we will use this here, square root of 5 into square root of 4. We have 2 plus 1. So we have 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square root of 5. This is the answer of this question. Now in the second part we have 3 into square root of 24x minus 3 square root 81x. We will make the factors of 24 first of all. When 24 is divided by 2, we have 12, 6, 3, 1. We can write 24 as 2 power 3 into 3 multiply 3. Now we will make the factors of 81, which is equal to 3 into 27. Now 9, 3, 3 and 1. We can write 81 as 3 power 3 multiplied by 3. Because we have to cancel this 3 by the value of this square root, that is 1 by 3. So we will write this as 24 as 2 power 3 into 3x, and whole power is 1 by 3 minus 81 have 3 power 3 multiplied by 3 into x power 1 by 3. Now we will use 1 by 3 here, as 2 power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 and 3x have power 1 by 3 minus this 3 will be cancelled by this 3 and 3x power 1 by 3. Now we have 2 and 3 into 3x. We use 1 by 3 in form of a radical minus 3. We use 1 by 3 in form of a radical 3 into 3x. We will take common this value from this. We have 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So we have minus 3 into square of 3x. So this is the answer of this question. Now the part number 3 is 4 into square of 4y cube multiply 4 side is 12y square. We can write this as in a single radical as 4 into 4 multiply y power 3 multiply 12 y power 2. So 4 multiplied 12 is 48 and y3 and y2 we will apply product law. Y power m multiply y power n is equal to y power m plus n. So y power 3 plus y power 2 which is equal to y power 5 and in a single radical. So this is the answer of this question. Students, if you want to simplify 48, we can make the factors of 48. 48 is divided by 2, we have 24. When 24 is divided by 2, we have 12. 12 is divided by 2, we have 6. 6 is divided by 2, we have 3. So we can write 48 as 2 power 4, where we have square root of third power 4. So when we have this, we can write 4 into 48 as 2 power 4 will be multiplied by 1 by 4 and 3 half side of 3 can be write as 4 side 3. Just 4 will be cancelled by this 4. We have 4 into 48 is equal to 2 4 side 3 and y power 5 can be solved easily by this method, that y power 5 can be write as y power 4 multiply y by applying side of 4 on this. According to the question, we have y power 4 multiply by 1 by 4 and this y have side. So we will write y 4 side of y in place of y4. So we will apply this here as 2 y side of 3 y. So this is also the answer. You can use this value or this value. Now students, we will solve the part number 4 of this question, which is equal to 3 by 32 and this side has power of 5. Now we will solve this in a very easy way. We will first of all make the factors of 32, which is equal to 2 power 5. We can write 32 as 2 power 5. First of all, split this side 2 power 5. We have split this side. Then 5 into side of 3 by 2 power 5. 5 side is equal to 1 by 5. We know this. So we will apply this here. 5 will be cancelled by this and we have 5 side of 2. This is the answer of this question. Now we will do 5th part. So the 5th part is 3 side of minus 8 by 1000. 8 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, which is equal to 2 power 3, and 1000 is equal to 10 multiply 10 multiply 10, which is equal to 10 power 3. We will apply this here and this side of 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So we will solve this in a very easy way. Just write 2 power 3 and 10 power 3 in place of this, and whole power is 1 by 3. Now 2 power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 by 10 power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. We have 2 by 10. By cutting this, we have 1 by 5. This is the answer of this question. Now students, we have part number 6, that is the last part of the question number 4, that is 4 side of 16, 3. Now we can write this as 16 is equal to 4 power. First of all, make the factors of 16 prime factors, 2 and 1, 2 power 4. So we will write 2 power 4 into 3. Then 4 multiplied 3 is 12. We have 4, 2 power 12. So this side is equal to 1 by 4. Now we can write 2 power 12 multiply 1 by 4, 4, 3, which is equal to 2 power 3, that is equal to 8. So this is the answer of this question. Now here the question number 5 is 5. Find integers x and y if 2 power x multiply 3 power y is equal to 6 power 4. Now we will solve this. We can write 6 as 3 multiply 2. Just apply this here. 2 power x multiply 3 power y, which is equal to 3 multiply 2 whole power is 4. 3 power 4 multiply 2 power 4. 2 power x multiply 3 power y. Now we will compare this as 2 power x is equal to 2 power 4 and 3 power y is equal to 3 power 4. According to this, x is equal to 4 and y is also equal to 4. So this is the answer of this question. Now students, we have question number 6. Find the value of x in all the given expressions. First part is 3 power 3 multiply 3 power 6 by 3 power 7 multiply 3 power 5, which is equal to 3 power x. Now students, here first of all we will apply the product law. According to that, 3 power x multiply 3 power y is equal to 3 power x plus y. Now 3 power 3 multiply 3 power 6, 3 plus 6 is 9, we have 3 power 9. And 3 power 7 multiply 3 power 5, we will apply here also the product law. According to that, 7 plus 5 is 12. Now when we have 3 power x divided by 3 power y, we will apply quotient law. According to that, 3 power x minus y. So this is equal to 3 power x, and 3 power 9 minus 12 is equal to 3 power x. 9 minus 12 is equal to 3 power minus 3, which is equal to 3 power x. According to that, x is equal to minus 3. So this is the answer of this question. Now we will do the second part. Now in the second part we have 7 power x multiply 7 power 3 into 2 whole square, which is and divided by 7 power 4 divided by 7 by 2 is equal to 7 power 3. Here we apply the product law and here we apply the quotient law. According to product law, x power m multiply x power n is equal to x power m plus n, and x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. we will apply this here, x power x plus 3 into 2, then 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. Now we will multiply x plus 3 into 2. According to that, we have 7 power 2x plus 6 and 7 power 2 multiply by 7 power 3. Here 7 power 2x plus 6 is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we have equation 2x plus 6 is equal to 5. Now we have equation 2x plus 6 is equal to 5. We will solve this as 2x is equal to 5 minus 6 which is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find the value of x which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we will solve the third part. We have 4 power x is equal to 1 by 64. First of all, make the factors of 64. Now we have 64 as 4 power 3, 4 power x. So we can write this as 4 power minus 3. We know that 1 over x power m is equal to x power minus m. So x is equal to minus 3. This is the answer of this question. Now we have the last part of the question number 6 is 2 power x which is equal to 0.125. Now we can write this in form of fraction 125 by 1000. Now we will solve this as divide this by 5. We have 25 by cutting of this we have 200, then 1 by 8. 2 power x is equal to 1 by 8. By making the prime factors of 8, we have 2 power 3. 2 power x is equal to 1 by 2 power 3. 1 by 2 by 3 can be write as 2 power minus 3. So 2 power x is equal to 2 power minus 3, which implies that x is equal to minus 3. This is the answer of this question. I hope you understand. In the next video, we will solve question number 7 to question number 12. Please subscribe Math Solver and also press the bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.